Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Pam's Wig Adventure. Today I'm going to focus on a wig that didn't work for me, just out of the box, shaking it. It's the color that's not working. So I'm going to take you through today what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to try to add some root to it to see if that works, and then also, I'm going to do what I would do to the wig to make it wearable. I'll do a quick review. I'm not focusing again mostly on this channel. I'll do wig reviews and I'll do them more. Maybe I'll just do them separate, but I'll always do like a mini wig review up in the front. So this is Red Carpet from Paula Young from the Jaclyn Smith line. And the color that I have her in is light blonde. I don't have the number. I think it's 22. Yeah, so this color, like this color here, the wheat rooted, I don't know, I didn't show. So what I'm wearing is Dierdre from Paula Young and Wheat Rooted. You see this? This is gorgeous. Like, I like this. I love this on, I like this on me. This, I don't know. It didn't work. So I'm going to take you through that. This one is just a short, basic cap. It's got the extended. It's got the Velcro snaps. Same thing, soft ear, full mono top. And the open weft, just a normal basic cap, no lace, anything like that. And this is not heat friendly, so we're gonna have to be careful what we do. But I'm gonna just put her on, spritz her up a little bit. In my first video, I did, there's a video that should be coming up on Dierdre. I did notice in that video that I didn't explain the products, the names and what I use, so I will probably show you at least the products and the name, give you the full names in this one. So this is Red Carpet. So let's, so I don't have the root spray, but let me show you what I'm gonna try. So what I do have is, this is a color stick. So I've got it in the, the brown, the color stick. And then I also have some of this, this root, the color stuff. So I'm gonna try to use this. If it doesn't work, I can wash these out, and then I've got the root spray ordered, so I'm just a little impatient. All right, so let's try her on and see what happens. So this is again Red Carpet from Jaclyn Smith, and she's A0361. And the color is 22, light blonde, which doesn't look good on me. This one feels a little tighter than the one I just had on. So you see, well, I don't know, actually today she doesn't look too bad. Maybe, I don't know, maybe with wearing the blonde all day, I'm getting used to it. I don't know. What do you think? What do you ladies think of the light blonde on me? What do you think? I don't know. I might like it today. All right, so let's get this wig wearable. So we're going to start with water, just a water bottle. All right, so I'm going to spritz it a little bit. Maybe a lot of it. There's a lot of permatease in here. So I want to sort of wake all this up. Really get my fingers in there. Try to get some lift. I don't like flat on my head. I do like a little bit of lift, so. And I haven't worn any short ones yet. And I have quite a number of them, but I love the look, but I just don't know that I've gotten any to the place that I want them to be. I don't know, I think I'm just still a little scared still. All right, so that feels good. Let me just comb this a little bit this way, make sure I get everything under there. Right, really loosen this up here. I'm gonna figure out which way I wanna do the part right before I put this root spray in, this root stuff. All right, so let's see, where should, I think I like the left part. Ooh, oh my goodness, this is gorgy. I don't know, I might be changing my mind. This is gorgeous, right? I don't know, ladies, what do you think? All right, so here's, I have the, this is what I used. This is so this is Aesthetica's sea salt spray. So I just want to put a little bit of that in. I don't know. I might be okay with this. Light blonde. Ooh. I might just be okay with this light blonde. I always like to put it a little bit behind my ears. I don't know. I'm liking it today. I am liking it today. I didn't like it the other day. So I don't know. Should I try to put the root in? I think I might wait, because this one's a little dark. I don't know. What do you think? What do you guys think? Oh, see, I wish you were here with me. I don't know. I kind of like it today. But see, I always want everything to be perfect. You know, perfectly balanced. Oh, I don't know. I like this today. These are a little long. Let's see. So let me show you. Fits really good again to my ears. Really good. Like perfectly they fit to my ears. And this you can definitely put behind your ears because there's enough hair there. I don't know. I'm kind of liking her today. What do you think? I like to keep a little bit out. I don't know. I think I might be brave enough to wear this. Oh, I like it a little better like that. Yeah. I think I might be brave enough to wear this. So now, let me see. I'm going to do it. If it doesn't work out, let me see if it... Just a little... Just want a little bit. Yeah, see, it's not even doing anything. Just a little bit. Let me see. I'm going to take it off and try it. I don't know, I'm kind of liking it. Yeah. But look, see, you see here? Seems real light, the weft, you know, you can see the wefting right there. There's not a lot of hair covering things up there. So let's see. So we're going to just take it. Oh yeah, it is doing it a little bit. And actually this color is kind of the right, it's the right shade. So I'm just taking it and brushing it on a little bit. You see it? It's like just giving it like a shadow, which is actually kind of nice. I think this might work. See, this might work, ladies. I think this might work. So let's, it's going to take forever, so I might have to speed you up on this. All right, let me do this and then come back because this is going to take too long. All right, I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. And oh my God, I'm in love now. It's exactly what it needed. I've got to fix it up a little bit, but this color I think was perfect. and adding in that root really, really did what I needed. I am really happy with this. Really, really happy with this. What do you guys think? Let me show you what this is. It says Wow, Color Now. Color Wow Root Cover Up in medium brown. I gotta clean it up a little bit. I got some darker spots, you know, like right here. See? But I just wanted to show you really quick the difference, and I think I'm ready to wear her now. She's ready to be worn. Let me look at this way. I love the side view here. Let me give you the other side view on this side. Let me show you the back. The nape. And then back to the front. Oh, I'm liking her now. Oh, I think I'm gonna wear her this week. All right, this is Red Carpet in light blonde. And I think I have been able to make her wearable. Thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe. I'm new, so I need to get the visibility. Share, spread the word. Pam's Wig Adventure. This is my adventure for today. Trying to make Red Carpet wearable, and I like the end result. Please comment. Let me know what you guys think. All right, let me just show you two. So it's the Estetica Shape and Hold is what I use for hairspray. So I shouldn't spray her now because I'm not wearing her today. But I think I'm gonna wear her tomorrow. Oh yeah, see? I'm liking this. I feel stylish. I don't mind the color on me. I don't know. Maybe I'm going more towards the blonde. I don't know. I like this. I am liking this today. Oh, thank you, Beth. I'm going to post Beth's channel down below. She did a full review of this. So I'm going to give her a shout out because she motivated me to make this wig wearable for me. So thank you, Beth. And have a great day. I hope everybody's well. And if you haven't gone outside yet with your videos, with your wigs, do it today. Don't be afraid to change up. Don't be afraid to let people know. Nobody's thinking what we're thinking. Nobody is thinking what we're thinking. That's, like, I cannot emphasize that enough. We're thinking everybody's looking at us. Oh my God, that's a wig. You can't tell that this is a wig. You can't tell unless you know me and you knew what my hair was. You cannot tell that this is a wig and this is a basic cap. Oh my God, I love her today. I'm loving this. Please, wear your wigs. Let's do this. We can do this together. Have a great day, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Bye.